Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A98 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's tap on language and region and enter or tap on edit. As you can see, we will enter the section, actually the section which is divided between two different sections again. Here we've got the languages which we've got currently applied, and under it we've got those available. So let's pick maybe Turkish. Let's tap on this plus icon and confirm it with yes, because your device will ask you if you want to change the language. And as you can see, from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. If you've got 2, 3 or 4 different languages added to this first section, you can easily change the language, which is the main one, between them just by swiping. So let me tap on the English and hold it. And right now, as you can see, I can move it. So let's drag it to the very first position and confirm it with, I believe, yes. So that I want to set the English as a default one. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system will be in the English. If you want to remove the languages from this list, nothing easier. This minus icon will help. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.